Welcome back. For many of you, you're gearing up for your year end. I know that involves a lot of paperwork and planning for the new fiscal year, but also for some of you, you are looking at your budget lines and you might have some training dollars or other dollars that you want to invest wisely. My name is Patricia Regier with Regier Educational Services. I've written about this topic in a few articles in the past. I'll link them down below, but I wanted to give you 3 things to think about as you're making some important decisions about your year-end dollars, especially in regards to training or recognition. So number 1 is, especially this time of year and with the last couple of years that everyone has had, many people not being able to go away on their typical vacations, people might be feeling a little low. So number 1 is to fill people's buckets. Great way to do this is to bring some joy, some entertainment, some appreciation, filling people's buckets so that they feel recharged and appreciated. I'll link below an appreciation expert as well if you want to explore that topic. But that you want to inspire people to keep going and to stay involved and collaborate at your workplace. So number 1 is fill up their buckets. Number 2 is to equip your employees, your team, who you're working with, and give some hope and confidence for the future. Future transitions, future context, increased skills, that knowledge needed to continue to shift online for training and meetings, and then eventually to shift into that hybrid context. So whether you are running your workplace professional development, learning and training online and with some people in person or meetings, or you have always had the challenge of people coming from many different places, it's an opportunity then to be able to come together online, but some people might be together in person. So you want to continue to do this well and keep improving that continuous improvement, quality learning experiences and meetings where you're turning an audience into participants. It's not passive. So invest in experts, consultants, workshops, trainers that focus on that. So number 2 is equip. You want to bring in people that can help you with that as well. And they can be people that also inspire, just giving that confidence of continuing. And then number 3 is that strategic planning, but not a full strategic plan, but you want to be strategic with how you are utilizing these dollars and for that intentional planning going forward when you are moving back to in-person or to that hybrid context. What things to think about, what things to plan ahead, so you're not having to do that shift or pivot last minute and now scrambling, how to do this well. So now is a great opportunity if you are looking at your year-end dollars, think about 3 different ways you might want to use those dollars to fill up buckets, recharge people, to equip them. So some knowledge-based focus and for some planning to be strategic, even when you're learning for what is next so that people are involved and it's a collaborative process. Hope these 3 tips, pro tips help you also as you're thinking about how you're spending, and I'll link the other videos and articles below as well, some other resources that might help you with making those decisions. If you're interested in following our other content and resources, you can always get on our email list. We add additional tips and information in our blogs beyond the video sometimes as well, or there's the podcast version. So we want to also give you information the way you like to receive it and how it can best serve you. So I'll link all the other opportunities to connect with information and resources below as well, because we're all about helping support online facilitators and leaders and speakers to shift their audience and turn them into participants with engagement and connection. Thanks for checking this out. My name is Patricia Regier.